Hello, and now you can save or store FSD Dashcam footage video on your phone. You will soon be able to access Dashcam footage on Tesla app and save videos directly to your phone. Tesla in-car Dashcam viewer now has option for 0.5x, 1x and 2x playback speed. The first two undocumented feature of holiday update have now been found. That are, user can adjust the Dashcam viewer playback speed. Another one, when selecting a contact to send a message, user will have to press the scroll wheel before message dictation start.
I do, so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move, so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I